There are a number of stages in the partner journey with Nuro. The first one is we figure out what product are we building together. And this could be a driver assistance system, it could be a fully driverless system, it could be a custom hardware platform to go along with that system. So together we figure out what is it that we want to build, and then we co-design what that looks like. And so we can co-design and co-develop actually the autonomy software that results in that product. We can also co-design the hardware, the sense, the compute, what the overall vehicle shape and design is like. And Nuro has a lot of experience doing all of the above. Now once we've done that, typically the next stage is we build a prototype. And so we do some integration of some of the autonomy hardware perhaps to provide a prototype that we can then evaluate and play with, much as the one behind me was for Nuro and Lucid and Uber. And Nuro can do a lot of that integration. We have a huge amount of experience there. The next step is to design for manufacturing. So to take that prototype stage and to update our designs to ensure that we have the hardware that can be part of a production line, a manufacturing line, and typically that is taken on by our partners. And then at that point we now have a product that we can unleash on the market. In order to do that, we need to do a very significant stage of validation to make sure that we know that the product is going to perform the way we want it to. We have full conviction in the safety and performance. And for Nuro, we have a lot of experience and a lot of different resources that we bring to bear to do that. One of them is our closed course testing facility, which I'm in right now. Others are the enormous amount of software level validation and testing that we do on any of our systems before we put it onto public roads, particularly in a driverless capacity. At that point, we now have this hardware and software product that we have fully validated and is ready for mass scaling, mass production, and bringing out into the world.